Hey lovelies, do you have skin tags? Have you been trying to get rid of skin tags on your skin? Watch this video and I'll show you the things you can do at home to get rid of skin tags, okay? Very effective way you can use to get rid of skin tags at home. I'll be showing you what you can do to your skin tags that would help to clear it with time. Only if you can be consistent with it, it will help to clear your skin tags, okay? The first thing you have to do is to buy apple cider vinegar. Buy apple cider vinegar like this one I have right here, the one with the mother. For this kind of skin tag, my own was not that big, so I used only apple cider vinegar to treat it. But if you have very big one, I'll also show you what you can add to apple cider vinegar to treat it, okay? So what I did was every morning and night I would wash my face, then I will go ahead with this apple cider vinegar. This is the way I do it. So first I will go ahead and get a cutting board and I will cut small amount of it because I only have it on my face. If you have it all over your skin, that means you have to use cotton wool to clean your skin. But because I only have it here and it was giving me a huge concern, so this is what I usually do. I will take small amount of cotton pad, cut it into a very small circular shape, then I will dip it into the apple cider vinegar and place it on that area. Then I'll go ahead and place it here. This is what I was doing every morning and evening. So this is what I was doing every morning and evening. I will just place it on the area and leave it until night or until I am ready to go out. So do it and place it on the areas you have the skin tags. That is if they are not many. But if they are many, just go ahead, take the cotton wool and clean those areas with apple cider vinegar. But if you have those big ones, those big skin tags, I will show you what you can add to the apple cider vinegar that will help to clear it with consistency, okay? So let's get right into it. Let me show you what you can add to the apple cider vinegar that can help to clear your skin tags if you have the big ones. So guys, the next method you need to get rid of those big skin tags is to go ahead and get garlic. Go ahead and get garlic. Get about 2 cloves of garlic, depending on the quantity you want to make. Get 2 cloves of garlic, peel it, and after peeling it, you go ahead and get your grater. Like, you use this method if those skin tags are very big, so you use this method. Go ahead and get a grater, start grating the garlic. So guys, if you're one of those people that finds the smell of garlic very offensive, we can go ahead and add essential oil into it just to mask the smell. But if the smell is bearable for you, you can skip the essential oil, okay guys? So after grating the garlic, you don't need much garlic, okay? Just 2 cloves or 3 cloves of garlic is enough. So go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Add it into the grated garlic. You see, mix them together. After mixing it, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and take this treatment now. Apply it on those areas you have those huge. Apply it on those areas you have those huge skin tags. Like, place it on it. Place it on it and wait for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, when the water might have dried up, then you go ahead and wash your skin or wash your face wherever you applied it. Go ahead and wash it off, okay guys? Doing this consistently will help to reduce that skin tag. With time, you will begin to see the skin tag reducing, okay guys? So this is how you can get rid of skin tags at home. This is how you can get rid of big skin tags at home, guys. For the remaining one, you throw it away. You don't need to store it. If you store it, by the next day, the garlic in it will not be that potent enough. Okay, so that's why I prepared a very small quantity. Just prepare the one you can finish at once usage, and after using it you discard it. The next time you want to prepare, you can prepare another one. Okay guys, so that is it. This is how you can treat skin tags at home. Okay, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.